Wow. Oh my God. So today's video is going to be everything that I eat in a day. This video is really important because last week I really abandoned myself. Like, I was really depressed. I don't know if any of you guys can relate, but if you ever get really depressed and you're unable to do the dishes, cook for yourself, grocery shop, clean, like that was me just a few days ago. And so I was able to get my groceries delivered because I just couldn't leave the house. And today I'm gonna be starting back up in my normal routine and you'll be joining me. So I just had some coffee and I think I have a meeting in the next 20 minutes. So afterwards, we're gonna make some breakfast. Hi, okay, I'm starving. One of my favorite and easiest things, I basically eat this every single week as my brunch, is I saute some potatoes and then I add in some shallots and jalapeno, avocado, whatever else I have in my house, and then I mix it with 2 eggs. It is so good, and I add all of these spices, and I think I really excel when it comes to breakfast. So let me get started. I'm gonna be using some olive oil. One of my favorite things to add in my breakfast is shallots. They're so good. Okay, so once this is done, we're gonna add a lot of spices. So I'll tell you all of the spices that I put at this stage. So let's start with some turmeric. Let's start with some paprika. And then parsley. So we have avocado with hemp seeds all over everything. We have sauerkraut. I don't know if you can see the box over there. Let's eat. There's something really therapeutic about going through that whole process of chopping and making a breakfast and meal for yourself. I think that's one of my favorite parts about living alone is the therapeutic factor of cooking, whether it's in silence or listening to your favorite music. It really just, I don't know, and then you sit here and eat it. It is really rewarding and it makes me feel like I'm really loving on myself. Hello. Oh my God, am I having a meeting with you? Hello, thank you for joining me today. Listen, it is 3 p.m. I'm finally getting a little bit hungry. But honestly, like I could eat in another hour, but I'm just kind of bored. So I'm ready to munch. Oh, I have blueberries. Ooh, blueberries sounds good. But I want some beets. Oh my God, these look so good. Look at this. When I was with my last boyfriend, I would make us a lot of like roasted beets, but I ate so much that like my poop was purple. What's happening? And my pee was red. I literally was like, we have to go to the ER. I'm having internal bleeding. So everything was fine. I just had a shit ton of beets. Oh my God, I'm almost at 100. Oh my God, I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. Reel it in, girl. Woo! Okay, let's dip a snap pea into this chipotle dip. The beauty of living alone, double dipping. Do I want one more beet? Oh my God, I think I have a problem. Let me just do a small bite, a small little bite. I feel like we're all gonna learn a lot about my eating habits in this video, unfortunately. So I'm gonna be prepping dinner. I just was so bored that I thought it would be like the perfect time to just listen to some music. This is a playlist that I'm listening to. I need to stop pointing with a knife, but this is actually the recipe that I'm using. It is from Half Baked Harvest, and I love Negeen. She's the author of so many cookbooks and of the blog, and I just salute to her. So the items that I have in front of me are 2 bell peppers and a poblano pepper that I just cut, and I love poblano peppers, but I'm gonna be cutting these up long ways, and I'm gonna cut up a yellow onion long ways as well. So let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm removing the fat from the chicken. It is time for dinner. I'm gonna add in the chicken to hot oil, and then I'm gonna add in the spices, which is going to be right here. And we're gonna get started. Unfortunately, the instructions are on my phone, which as you can see is like on a tripod, so pray for me. This is smelling incredible. Oh my God, I wish I had someone to like feed this to because it looks so good. Like it smells incredible. I've never made fajitas with chicken. I'm a beef kind of girl. Okay, the fajitas are just about done. And I'm gonna remove them to a separate plate while I cook the veggies. So I'm just gonna let that cook down, and I'm gonna call a couple people, see if anyone wants to have some fajitas with me. I got a text. He says, "Shut up, you stupid bitch." No, I'm just kidding. He says, "Ha ha ha, yeah, I'd love to." Great. Yay. Let me know when you're done working out. How long does it take to cook veggies? You know what I mean? It's taking a little bit too long. Oh, season with salt and pepper. Oops. Oh, until they're tender. I think it's been longer than 5 minutes. Okay, now I think I can add in the chicken. Okay, I have my corn tortillas. Look at that. Incredible. Oh my God. That looks good, my friends. Now let's add in a little bit of cheese. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God. Woo! That has a kick. So the recipe called for a creamy, like salsa verde sauce on top. And I wish I made it because this is very spicy. I just needed like a creamy touch to it, you know? Whew. Wow, that is so much better. Okay, we have good news and we have bad news. Bad news is the two guys that I invited to try the tacos both agreed. And they're both coming, but not together. Can you imagine? So one of them is they're both my friends, but like one of them, he's coming at 6:30 and the other one is working out at the gym and I don't really know when he's coming. I think that's good. And I'm definitely gonna add in the creamy sauce. Let's rage!
Hi.
This is Reese. Okay, can I pour this on top? It's a little spicy. It was really spicy.
I'm allergic to chicken.
Huh? You're joking.
I'm kidding.
Oh, okay. No way. Would you be honest?
8 out of 10.
10 out of 10, right? That's what I thought. Are you just saying that because it's a free taco?
I'm sweating.
Hello, don't leave just yet. I still have to film dessert, but I just wanted to say that I have been eating so good today. Like the fajitas were so good. I'm glad my friend came and had some. He ended up really liking it, but we have a funny sense of humor together. And my other friend that was supposed to come, the second person, I just decided to call it a day and like just come tomorrow for lunch and grab some. My laundry is going on in the background. But anyway, I'm gonna do all that, get cozy, and then I'm gonna have my dessert. And yeah, so thanks for hanging in up until this. Well, we're still going, so don't leave. If you've never had a green tea mochi, get it from Whole Foods. They are incredible. Look, this is what it looks like. Oh, I know I just look totally different, but I'm so comfortable and I can't be bothered. Let's have 3 tonight. if the video cuts off because I'm at like 1 battery left, thank you so much for watching. Honestly, like, this was so much fun. Please subscribe to my channel. The support means so much. I really try to answer all of the comments and like react to them. So if you're already a subscriber, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please give me a chance and know that I will continue to make some really fun content and always make an everyday thing seem really fun and funny and exciting. So thank you so much. And if you want more of these videos or something around these type of videos, let me know in the comments below, and please give it a thumbs up so I know that you want more of this. In the meantime, I'm going to eat this, and I think I may make some tea afterwards, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it because your girl, she's worn out.